How to build $1,000 a month with AI. 3 months ago, a guy with a laptop, zero coding skills, and a Wi-Fi connection started making $37 a day. Not trading crypto, not flipping houses, not posting dance videos. He built a tiny AI-powered system that runs while he sleeps. $37 a day doesn't sound sexy until you realize that's over $1,000 a month. No boss, no office, no mandatory fun Zoom calls. Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI is replacing jobs fast, but at the same time, it's creating leverage, and most people are still using it to write emails. If you understand the math behind it, $1,000 a month isn't hype, it's a system. Let's break it down. A lot of people think making $1,000 a month online requires some genius-level startup idea. It doesn't. It requires leverage, and AI is leverage. Not magic, not a cheat code. Leverage. Here's what that means in plain English. If you can produce something once and sell it multiple times, that's leverage. If you can use software to do work that normally takes 3 people, that's leverage. And if you can automate 80% of a task and just supervise the last 20%, that's where AI shines. Right now, we're in a weird moment. Corporations are using AI to cut payroll. Individuals can use the same tools to create income streams. Same technology, different side of the table. So let's get specific. How do you realistically build $1,000 a month with AI? Not someday, but in this economy. First, understand the number. $1,000 per month is about $33 per day. That's it, $33. If you think in millions, you freeze. If you think in $33 chunks, it becomes tactical. Now we build backward. There are only 3 basic AI income models that work consistently right now: service leverage, digital product leverage, distribution leverage. Let's start with service leverage. This is the fastest. You use AI to deliver services to small businesses who don't know how to use it yet. Example, local dentists, realtors, gym owners. They need content, ads, emails, social posts, blog updates. Most don't want to learn AI tools, they just want results. So you offer done-for-you AI content systems. You use AI to generate email campaigns, Google ad drafts, weekly social posts, basic SEO blog content. With AI, what used to take 15 hours per client might take 4. If you charge $300 per month per client, you need 4 clients. That's it, 4. Now let's do the math. 4 clients paying $300 equals $1,200 monthly. Your AI tools cost maybe $50 to $100 per month. Your time, maybe 15 to 20 hours total monthly once systems are built. You're not a tech wizard, you're a middleman with leverage. The uncomfortable truth, most small businesses are behind, way behind, and that gap is opportunity. Now let's talk digital product leverage. This is slower but scales better. Instead of selling time, you sell something once and distribute it repeatedly. Examples: AI-generated niche ebooks, printable planners, industry-specific prompt packs, digital templates, mini online courses. Here's how it works. You pick a niche, not fitness, too broad, something tighter. Meal prep for busy nurses, budget planning for truck drivers, study guides for real estate exams in Texas. Specific wins. You use AI to help research the audience, outline content, draft materials. You refine it, package it clean, sell it on marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own simple site. Let's say you price a digital guide at $19. You need about 53 sales per month to hit $1,000. That's fewer than 2 sales per day. Is that easy? No. Is it mathematically insane? Also no. The hidden mechanism here is distribution. Without traffic, AI content just sits there looking pretty. So you pair it with short-form content, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. AI helps script, you deliver personality. Even 1% conversion from a few thousand views can move units. Now we move to distribution leverage. This one's interesting. Instead of creating products, you build attention and monetize it. AI helps you produce content faster. Scripts, research, editing assistance. You create niche YouTube channels, faceless or personal brand.
Monetize through ad revenue, affiliate links, digital products, sponsorships. Let's say you build a niche channel about credit repair tips. You post consistently. You reach 50,000 monthly views. That might bring in a few $100s in ads. But affiliate links for credit tools or financial apps? That's where the juice is. If 100 people sign up through your link and you earn $10 each, there's your $1,000. Not overnight, but systemized. Now here's the part nobody likes to talk about. AI lowers the barrier to entry, which means more competition. More competition means average content gets ignored. So the real edge isn't just AI, it's taste, positioning, understanding humans. AI writes, humans decide what's worth reading. That's the separation. Let's zoom out for a second. Why does this work right now? Because we're in an early adoption phase. Small businesses are confused, individuals are experimenting, big corporations are optimizing. That creates a temporary inefficiency, and inefficiency equals opportunity. But here's the risk. If everyone starts selling AI services with no differentiation, prices crash. It becomes a race to the bottom. So the smarter play is niche down. Don't sell AI marketing. Sell AI-powered lead generation for roofing companies in Florida. Now you're specific. Specific feels valuable. Generic feels cheap. Here's another uncomfortable truth. Most people fail not because AI doesn't work, but because they treat it like a lottery ticket. They dabble, they watch tutorials, they never commit to one model long enough for compounding to kick in. Compounding is boring. It's posting content when nobody's watching. It's pitching 10 businesses and getting ignored by 8. It's refining prompts until output actually sounds human. Not glamorous, but that's the difference between $0 and $1,000. Now let's talk timeline. If you're consistent and focused on one path, service model can realistically hit $1,000 in 30 to 90 days. Digital products might take 60 to 120 days. Content and affiliate plays might take 3 to 6 months to gain traction. Not instant, but also not a decade. And remember, $1,000 a month isn't the ceiling, it's proof of concept. Once a system works, you scale. More clients, more products, more distribution. But scaling multiplies complexity too. Customer support, refunds, platform algorithm changes. Nothing is fully passive. Anyone selling set it and forget it is selling fantasy. AI reduces labor, it doesn't remove responsibility. Now zooming out again, there's a bigger shift happening. AI is compressing traditional jobs, but it's expanding individual leverage. The middle layer of employment shrinks, the individual's self-directed layer grows. That's not motivational talk, that's structural economics. When tools get cheaper, individuals can operate like small companies. One person with AI today can produce what a 5-person team produced 10 years ago. That's wild. But here's the final tension. If AI makes it easier for everyone to create, attention becomes the scarce resource, and attention is brutal. So the real question isn't, can you make $1,000 a month with AI? Yes, you can. The better question is, can you build something specific enough, useful enough, and consistent enough to survive competition? Because AI won't hand you income, it hands you efficiency. What you build with that efficiency is on you. So while some people are worried about AI taking their job, others are quietly building small, lean income systems with it. $33 a day. That's the target. Not flashy, not viral, just steady. And in this economy, an extra $1,000 a month isn't hype, it's breathing room. The real opportunity isn't in chasing the next shiny tool, it's in understanding leverage before everyone else does. Because once the crowd fully wakes up, the easy $1,000 might not be so easy anymore. So here's the thought to leave you with. AI is either replacing your leverage or becoming your leverage.